up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. You got some cars on this property, I see.
I got one or two.
All right, let's go through them. So you tell me a little bit about yourself. So you find these cars, mess with them.
I've been cars all my life.
Okay.
Since I've been trading on them since I was 14-year-old. And that's just kind of started out a hobby, and then it started out a little bigger, you know.
So you do it full time?
Well, I am now.
Okay. What did you do before? Where'd you work?
I worked in the mills and stuff like that.
All right. What car you want to start with?
It's up to you. Don't matter to me.
Let's start with the Camaros. I see one over there.
Yep. That's the black and golden covered up.
You had that one for 30 years, you said, on the phone?
Yeah, 30, 35 years ago.
Wow. So what's it, 68?
Yeah.
What's the background with this car? Local?
Yeah, it come out of Florida as far as I know.
Okay.
And I just have traded for it.
Oh, you did a trade on it?
Yep.
What'd you trade for it?
I traded a 70 Chevy for it.
Ooh. You had the build sheet on it?
Nah.
Nah.
That wasn't no bill sheet car.
That's fine. That don't look like a 327.
No, that's supposed to be a 383 is what it's supposed to be. Now, where it is or not, I don't know.
You didn't pull the numbers on the back of the block?
Huh?
You didn't pull the numbers on the back of the block to see what it is?
Nah, stuff like that normally don't concern me a whole lot.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm going to say it's, I don't know, what do you guys think? 383?
383. Yeah, it doesn't look like a 350 at all.
No, it's bigger than 350. It's not a 396, I don't think.
No, it ain't no big block. It's
Probably
small
383.
Small block.
Yeah, 383.
The frame looks good on this side.
block. That's tubular armed, all that, 4-wheel disc, power disc brakes.
Oh yeah. All the way around?
Yep. Got 12 bolts on it. Got 12 bolt in the rear end. Got a little chip here and there.
Yeah,
So
let's see.
it ain't nothing major, but you know.
Yeah, I'm hoping we can do a connection today where I can start being a regular buyer for you.
Well, maybe so, you know. That's like that car right there, it's well there. I've had that car probably 35, 40 years too. And that Camaro there I've had probably 25 years. And, yep.
What year is that?
67.
So,
That's one running machine right there.
yeah, we'll go through them all. What we'll do is let's briefly go over each car.
Yep.
And then we'll talk to the nitty gritty. You know what I mean? Let's do an overview.
Right, yeah, I agree.
You got your phone with you?
Yeah, I can look at it.
Yeah. So 68 convertible. What's this, like an orange, burnt orange?
I guess it is. I'll be honest, I ain't really exactly what color it is. Huh?
Is this a real rally sport?
To be honest with you, I ain't gonna tell you yeah to lie to you. I don't lie about the phone.
Let's see what the tag is showing.
I can tell by the numbers, you know more about it than I do. I sell it to you, sell to you as a clone. I ain't gonna guarantee
Yeah.
it's true rally.
I don't think it is. I gotta pull those numbers and see. So burnt orange, center console, 383. Well, it's a small block. We don't know what it is though. It could be a.
I was told it's 383. Now, where it is or not, I don't know. But it's got suspension gauge console and all in it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Them gauge consoles about $600-700, you know.
It's manual top.
No, yeah, man.
Let me take this real quick.
I'm not a fan of the wheels.
Yeah, so the torque thrust chrome would probably look better on it, I guess.
I mean, some guys like this. They like that resto mod look, but I'm more traditional.
Yeah. Which the other rallies would look good on it, you know. Like on my blocking over there.
Absolutely. Top seems to be in good shape.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's supposed to be a new top and all on it now, you know.
Undercarriage is nice if you climb under it.
It looks good.
I mean, it's a Florida car, so it shouldn't.
It ain't rusty underneath it. I looked at it. If it'd been rusty, I wouldn't have traded for it.
There's a little,
What?
There's a tire in the back seat there.
Yeah, it's a little tear in the rear.
And there's one tire right here and the seat right here.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie to you, pull the car.
Yeah, I saw that.
I ain't trying to hide nothing.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
gauges and all that.
Yeah, I
you
mean,
know.
what's it got? Dakota digital dash?
Yeah, I guess. Just cut the switch on you, see.
Yeah, Dakota. That's nice. That's a nice feature to have.
Yeah.
For sure.
It looks like orange feel.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
They could probably use a good cut and buff, you know, make it slick.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think a good buff and a cut, but I love the front grille.
Yeah,
The grill.
This headlight open, but that don't. I'm not gonna lie to you for the cars now, you know.
So that one.
I ain't trying to win you over to lie to you
No,
about
I know. How about this over here? Is this for sale?
No,
Yeah.
nah,
Not yet.
nah, it belongs to my nephew.
What year is this?
71 or 2. Sure is for that car there. It's my nephew's and it was my brother's. And choked me up.
Understood.
And they bashed away.
Sorry to hear that.
Yep. And
Give you a minute. That's got to stay here. That's got to stay here.
you know, they hit me like that in the wall.
It's okay. I understand. We deal with this for a living, and we deal with people with cars, and they're part of the family, and especially when it's the relatives and the relative passes up, we understand.
Yep.
Which I just had another brother too, bashed away, you know.
Yeah, it reminds you of him.
Yep.
I understand.
But it, like I say, it's my nephew.
Okay.
Bailey Hush.
How about the Malibu?
I like the wheels, some nice wheels on this thing.
Yeah. Do you like that convertible, Chris?
Very much so. I think
Clean,
it's,
right?
it's one of the cleanest I think I've seen.
Yeah, I mean it's Alabama car, Florida car,
Right.
so there's not gonna be no rot, no rust.
No, I think it's
That's why we come down south.
filthy.
Joe Kirk.
Yes.
Whose relative, whose car was that?
He's not.
His nephew.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, it's real sad, isn't it? But it reminds him of him, so
That's kind of ridiculous. Is it a Camaro?
no.
I apologize about that, Jim. I ain't been choked up like that.
It's okay, sir.
problem.
It's no problem at all. We understand, completely understand.
She won't hurt you. She might jump all over you, so.
Alright.
If she nibs on you or jumps on you, just slap her and tell her to get down.
Go talk to her.
You have to look over, it's nice and sharp. I'll open this up and back it out.
Wow.
We need to reclose it.
Hmm?
We have to reclose it.
See how little waves?
That belongs to a buddy of
A
mine.
little bit here.
What is that?
But
What belongs to a buddy? Oh, that one in there?
now this one over here.
Ooh.
I ain't done with that yet, and I got another one back there I'm not done with.
You got cars all over the place.
I got 2 more out yonder.
Video.
That looks good.
Yeah.
It's right up here on the grill.
Yeah, this side's nicer, Chris.
Give it to her.
Can you hear me?
Should be your best buddy now.
Right.
A little bit here.
Yeah.
A little bit. Not terrible at all. Yeah, for sure.
That's a good car. It drives good and all, you know.
It's just
Oh, Camaro, it drives good and all. But this got that now there's got the $700 overdrive transmission too.
Wait.
Now, are you looking to sell that one as well?
Well, we'll think a little more on that one.
It shows well, guys. It's got a couple little issues that I can see.
Y'all like something to drink? Water, Dr. Pepper?
I'm fine.
I'll take a water.
Dr. Pepper.
Please, thank you.
Please.
You welcome.
Got a little imperfection here. And you can see right here, it's had work. You can see it in the paint. You see? Right in here.
Oh yeah, it wasn't sanded correctly.
Yeah.
Or maybe just painted over.
And you can feel a little Bondo probably right here. But I mean, it's still a good looking car.
What would you rate it overall?
7 out of 10. 6.5.
I would say about the same.
That car, I think, is probably, with a nice cut, it'd probably be like an 8. I
would
say it's
I would
7.5
even-
right now.
I would say probably 8.5.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I say it's 7.5. You cut it 8. This car, I see, is about 6.5.
This one's definitely
7.
rough on the body.
That's not bad though. I mean, don't get me wrong, but
The thing I
compared,
like about
like
the
you can see right here, this line's not as straight.
Right. I guess dyed in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's got some mud on it right there.
Right. It's on a sharp line.
And then the truck, I like the truck a lot.
Yeah.
That truck is a nice short bed truck. It's a little high on it. I mean, everything, where kind of the margins are super thin.
Damn.
350.
And it's supposed to be a 355.
Yeah.
I don't know it's got a good sounding motor in it.
What's that?
It's got a good sounding motor in it. I'll crank it and back it out.
Yeah, you can crank it and back it out for sure. You get out there.
That way you'll be able to see it a little better and everything.
Yeah, it's a good looking truck. Not a fan of the wheels at all.
Old truck's a good truck. It runs out now.
I
Got
don't-
a new dash pad in it, new carpet, new seat cover.
I don't like the wheels at all.
Yep.
Not a fan.
Well, I got a set of rallies. If you want a set of rallies, you ain't got no colors on. Like a 2800 style converter and all in it.
Okay.
Where, you know, that there and
Yeah.
not jump when it's in gear and stuff.
Yeah, sharp looking truck. Just the wheels are horrendous.
I would definitely get rid of the wheels.
I don't like them
I
at
think a
all.
specific person.
Yeah, I don't want a specific person. I want everybody to like this car.
Well, some wheel cars ain't a whole lot, you know.
Yeah.
Let me get that hat.
Unless you want to put some rallies on it. Like I say, I got a set of truck 8-inch rallies, but they ain't got
Oh,
no colors
you know what
on
I would do? I'd put the new Chevy wheels on it.
Would
Those,
you?
those nice chrome Chevys.
Yeah, it's that little harder. Raise it up and then just shut it.
There we go.
Cow hood on it's new. Back bumper's new. These custom deluxe emblem is new on it. Door handles is new. Back bumper's new.
Cool. Square body.
Oh, I love these.
Yeah.
This is for sale too?
Yeah, the right price it is.
Anything's for sale for the right price, I guess. What they say.
But the one thing's rare about this car right here. You don't see many like this. So that and factory power steering.
AC car. And factory power.
And our
steering.
the AC
Briggs.
Yeah, it's
was
aftermarket.
working last year. I've had this car probably, rough estimate, probably going on a couple of years, I guess. Maybe a little longer.
Yeah.
And when I got it, the guy that traded for it, the guy told me, he said, the air blows cold on it. I got ink cut the air on, it wouldn't come on.
Mm.
I said, it ain't working. I said, I got out here, the compressor ain't even on. So I took it up to a buddy of mine, and he fixed the air and all on it. And I think it may need a little freon now, because like I say, it's set since last year, the air conditioner come on. But I ain't run it. I didn't run it hardly none last summer or nothing. And I drove it some, just once or twice, you know.
You said 66, right?
Yeah.
It's Chevy. It's Chevy.
And 80.
I give us.
I want enclosed.
You're gonna have to be right.
They're gonna have to. Yeah, I'm not putting these cars to get chipped up and them to be open and get dirty and
Let me see.
get
This
water.
car here is nice because it sat out here for a while, and then I had a place to put it in the shop, and I put it in the shop, and
You could even do open, I guess.
then it turned around. That car been painted probably
A couple times.
It's been painted a couple times. The last time it was painted, it's been probably 18 years, I guess.
What's your postal code?
What?
Your postcode.
There it goes.
Yeah.
4-speed car.
That way I can just get a estimate.
Usually shut.
Looking like 600
Each.
each.
Car.
We'll give it what's the package deal for all three.
Had been-
All right, guys, just closed the deal for these 6 classic cars here in Alabama. We got this 67 Camaro, 4-speed car. Got this beautiful Mustang, fuel injected 302, AC car, pony interior, 85 pickup truck, C10, short wheelbase. Got 69 up there, 68 convertible, and the 66 Nova. I gotta say, guys, this driver, what is your name? What
Derek.
Derek?
Yes.
What company you work for?
Show Me Incorporated.
There you go. Great, great. He showed up on time, got here, helped me load him. Did a great job. This guy is just awesome. A lot of times these drivers, they show up randomly, or they don't call, or they don't speak good English. This guy was on point, for sure. Check him out if you need transportation. Show Me Inc. Great job. All right, guys, got it all loaded up. Get these babies back to Pennsylvania. Run them through our shop. And then they go up for sale. Coming soon at Bob Evans Classics. If you like this episode, guys, hit the like button. Better yet, don't hit the like button. Just subscribe for me. If you want to see me chase classic cars, get them back to our lot, sell them, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bob Evans Classics. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. God bless the USA. Let's go.